So I'm starting to get the hang of playing this game. I finally got the chance to be an imposter, and this time I hid in the vents, waited for an innocent victim, and then made the kill, and shamelessly telling everyone I saw a crew member run away. What's up everyone and welcome to the club. If you're a fan of Among Us and want a chance to be crewmates together, then make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification because I'm sharing private game codes in the community feed. In today's bonus lesson, I'm going to be drawing an imposter from Among Us. Let's get started in the center of the page and draw the outside of the hockey mask. So we start on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle. We're going to go up towards the top, round this out, and then come down on the right side. And then we'll connect the bottom of the half circle with a half oval. Starting back on the left, come down, just going to round out the bottom, and just pull that back up on the right side. And we'll draw two small ovals on either side for the eyes. Let's start on the left, start from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up. Now I'm just going to line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Coming down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. We're also going to add a thick edge on the right side of the eyes. Starting from the top, just going to curve around, and back down towards the bottom, and do the same thing on the right. Let's add in the air holes. We're going to start at the very top with two small circles, so leaving a gap in the center. Start on the left side, draw a circle. Line this up on the right. Now we're going to step down and draw two more. Let's fill the holes in black. Now let's move up and draw the top of the head. Starting from the top of the mask, we're going to curve the head going up and then down on the left side. Now I'm just going to round out the side of the body coming down towards the bottom of the feet. Just going to round out the side of the head, straight down. I'm just going to pull that in. And then we'll go underneath the mask on the right side. We're going to curve down and then in towards the same height we have on the left. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting back on the left side, we come down and then up. We're going to leave a gap in between the feet. Go to the right, come down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We'll draw a short line going up along the inside of the leg, and we'll curve out the bottom of the body, going out and then up. Let's go to the bottom of the foot on the right, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's add in the straps. We're going to start on the left side of the mask, and go out and then bend that up. We'll step down and then draw that twice, coming in. I'm also going to add a strap going along the top of the head. Starting from the top of the mask, curve up and then out, step out, and draw that again. And then we'll go to the left side and draw on the backpack. Starting from the bottom of the strap, we curve out and then down, move down towards the bottom, go out and then up. Let's connect the top and bottom with a curve, going out and then back in. Now we want to add a shadow line going across the backpack and the body. So let's start on the left side, curve down and then in. And we're going to move up along the side of the body, come down and then in. Then we'll round this out, coming down towards the middle, and then we'll just pull that back up on the right side. Now we're going to draw a detached hand holding a knife on the right side. So let's start right about here. We're going to draw the thumb, coming down and then up. It's going to round out the top of the thumb and then come back down on the inside. And we'll draw three fingers wrapped around the handle. Starting on the side of the thumb, we'll draw a half O, going out and then back in. Step down, draw that again, going around and then up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Let's draw the bottom of the handle. Just underneath this finger, draw two straight lines, one on the inside and one on the right. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. And then we'll wrap the palm going back in behind the handle. So right here, just going to curve around and then back out. Let's move back up to the top and draw on the hilt. Starting from the top of the finger, draw a straight line going out towards the right. Go straight up with a short line. I'm just going to pull that back in just on top of the thumb, and then we'll pull that back down. Let's draw on the blade. From the top corner of the hilt, we're going to step in, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the tip of the knife. Now we're going to round out the right side of the blade but add a notch about halfway. So starting from the tip, curve out, and then down about halfway. And right here we're going to add a small half circle, coming in and then back out. And then we'll continue that curve along the bottom, coming down and then in. Let's add some dripping blood across the blade. Starting from the inside, curve down and then up. Round out the top and then come back down. Round out the bottom and then go out towards the outside of the blade. And now we're going to add a small pool of blood along the bottom. Directly underneath the handle, I'm going to step down here, go out towards the left, round this out, then come back in, go back out, then across towards the right. Let's connect the top and bottom. We're going to go out, round out the right side, and then back in. And that's pretty much it. There's our imposter from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials or our private game codes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.